This is your daily reminder to stop creating content for the sake of just creating content. Today we're talking about how to generate leads with content marketing. We're going to stop creating content for the sake of creating content. And if you have found yourself stuck in the content loop, then listen up. It's time to get off the bus and it's time to start generating leads with your content. It's time to start having impactful, effective content. All you need is the right strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 awesome and super easy ways to start generating leads from all of your content. So stay tuned for that and so much more. I'm going to show you how to increase your value so that your leads will actually want to be on your email list. I'm going to show you 2 things. I'm going to show you how to create exclusivity and how to generate excitement. And at the end, I'm going to show you the easiest way to build your list, even if nobody knows who you are. All right, so the very first thing is to start building your value so that people will want to be on your list. So we have to start by talking about building your authority and your influence. And we do this by ensuring that our content is focused around providing value. We want to actually teach our people something. And we do this for 2 reasons. First, we do this because we want to give our people a reason to watch our stuff in the first place. We want them to watch from beginning to end, but we also, the second thing is that we want them to come back for more. We want our content to become bingeable. We want our people to listen to so many of our videos, so many of our pieces of content. They become familiar with who we are as the attractive character, as the leader of our movement, and they also become familiar with our frameworks, our methods of teaching, and our personality. So when we combine all of those together, when we're focused on making sure that every piece of content not only provides value, but also leads people up our value ladder, that's when we're going to find the magic space of both nurturing our communities and building our list. So teaching and feeding into our community that already exists and the tools that we need to use to grow that community at the same time. Talking about growing a community, that's what I'm doing here on the Visibility Hackers YouTube channel. So definitely hit that subscribe, join us for the journey, become an official visibility hacker. All you have to do, click that subscribe button and join us for the journey. When we're providing value to people, say we're teaching them a framework, the way that we move them from watching our content to being part of our list is by giving them a reason to opt into our list. Yes, we've taught them something, but we actually need something to exchange for their email. So what we're going to do is create tangible resources that we can put behind an opt-in wall. This way, we're teaching something in our video content. If they want to learn more, they can opt into our list and receive a tool like a checklist or a guide. That way, the reason that they become part of our list is in exchange for a tool that's going to help them achieve the results that we and our community is used to achieving. This way, they feel that success before they're really even properly indoctrinated into your community. I have to confess to you guys, I am a bit of an online shopaholic. I have been on more e-commerce type email lists than I would like to admit. But what I've been able to see is the power of scarcity, the power of exclusivity, and the power of giving an easy, simple coupon. So one thing that you can do to build that excitement, to build that exclusivity, is by providing your insiders, those on your list, those who are part of a certain segment of your community, providing them with coupons or discount codes. This, yes, you can always weave this into a much larger part of your brand and your visibility in your affiliate program. But today, we're simply just talking about providing a simple little coupon, maybe an exclusive training, something behind the scenes that only members of your list have access to. When you do this, you add to the excitement, you add to the value of being on your list. Maybe you have exclusive Q&A sessions. Maybe you have exclusive members-only Zoom calls. Think of something that you can create just for the members of your insiders community. That way you can feed them, you can nurture them, and again, you can create a space that will begin the conversation to nurture them up and through your value ladder. Bonus tip, another way to generate lots of engagement is by having cool contests. Things that are going to actually ask your community to generate content. This way you can feature your success stories, you can feature your community members, and you can also kind of take the temperature of what's going on in your community, and if you're ready to actually start developing that next level of product for your business. Talk about giveaways. We are giving exclusive one-on-one coaching away to one of our lucky subscribers this month. So definitely make sure that you are subscribed on the last day of the month. For the rest of the summer of this year, we are going to be giving away exclusive training to one of our subscribers. So make sure you're subscribed. And if you want bonus points, definitely comment in this video and let us know that you've entered. All right, now you're probably sitting there asking, but what if I don't have a list? What if nobody really knows who I am? What if I'm looking to really expand my current network? Well, how do I start building my list while I do that at the same time? I'm happy to tell you, first, you can do that at the same time. And second of all, the easiest way to do it is what I like to call a follow the adventure campaign. A follow the adventure campaign is a way of engaging your community by being loud, being proud, and saying, hey guys, I'm going on this adventure. This is my goal. Watch me do it. Come along for the ride. Give them exclusive access to something. Just like I give you guys exclusive access to the Visibility Hacking Secrets training. The link is down in the description box below. You will get access to a variety of different visibility trainings. We're going to talk about building your brand, getting it loud, getting it visible, getting it out there, and ultimately driving more customers to your business. That's why we're here. We're moving from expensive hobbies into revenue generating activities. And this, my friends, is a fantastic training. I cannot wait to see what you guys do with it. So definitely click those links below and join us for the trainings.